Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create relaxing photo with Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. First of all, of course, you need to open up Gemini app or you can visit Gemini website, gemini.google.com. Okay. And then, wait guys, I'm going to create new chat on Gemini. And don't forget to activate the nano banana feature shown by this banana icon. And then you're going to upload your photo to Gemini. And for example, I'm going to upload, wait guys, I'm going to upload this photo. Okay. And then you can paste this prompt. You can add this prompt. Okay, this is the prompt guys, but you can modify the prompt according to your need. For example, I want to make this girl wearing a soft blue blazer, but you can change it, for example, to pink. Or you can modify the whole prompt because this is the prompt for a girl. But if you are a boy or a man, you can modify it with, for example, jacket or maybe suit, or it's up to you. And then I'm going to submit this prompt and also this image. Okay, and now we just need to wait for a moment, guys, until the AI generate a photo for us. Alright, done, and this is the result. And if you want to download it, you just need to click on this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create relaxing photo with Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!